What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. Today we're talking about the world record. The world record that nobody wants. Nobody should ever even consider wanting it. But here we are. I'm pretty sure we're holding it, and that is the number of times that anybody has been quarantined during this entire pandemic that we've had here in 2020. And right now, as far as I know, I'm a record holder of 6. I've got 6 quarantines, and you know what? I can get paper to back it up.
They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
I don't have it on hand, but I know that we've been quarantined now 6 times. So there it is, world record. Where's the plaque? I don't know, I'm looking for it. Maybe Guinness World Record can help me out here. Anyhow, all joking aside, the real effects of this quarantine, you know, it's helping slow some spread down and all that, but something that not too many people have actually talked about is the mental aspect of this, of what it's going to do to people like me, to my kids, to other, anybody that's quarantined. Because you get told, hey, you've been exposed, you have been tested because of possible symptoms, waiting on results, you tested positive, and all of a sudden, any one of those things, and there might be more I'm missing right now, but you're quarantined to your house. That means you can't go shopping, you can't go to work, you can't see your friends, you can't have anybody come over. Like, it just, mentally, as humans, we're meant to connect, and if you don't have anybody else at home, man, it sucks. It really sucks. And I only know this for weekends, because my boys, they go to their mothers every other weekend, right? So on the weekends that they're gone, I'm home alone, and if I'm quarantined, it's so lonely. And then your mind, it just starts racing. You're like, man, I gotta get out of here. I gotta do something. But you really can't. You can jump in your car and you go for a little drive, but you can't stop anywhere. You can't say hi to it. You can't go stop in at a friend's house and chat for a minute or anything. Sure, you can use your phone. Mine's recording right now, to call, text, Snapchat, any of that. But it's not the same as being face to face. And it's honestly, this 6th round of quarantine has really hit me mentally. And luckily, I have you guys, and I have a lot of support behind me that helps me get through these times. And I'd like for you guys to reach out. If you don't have somebody, please let me know. Drop some comments down below, shoot me some Instagram messages, Facebook. If you have my phone number, give me a call and tell me, hey man, having a bad day. And you know what? In the moment, I might not be the best person to say something, but you know what? At least I'm there, and I'm gonna try and bring your spirits up. Like last night, one of my buddies goes, man, I'm not feeling good. I'm heading to the ER. And I said, well, he's like, oh no, it could be this, it could be that. And I said, maybe it's just that something got stuck and you forgot to take it out. And I was like, oh wait, it might hurt to laugh right now, but you gotta help lift people up. And that, to me, I love doing that the most. Somebody pulling in my drive? Yep. Somebody's backing up, I don't know. Anyways, it's been really tough, and I highly suggest that if you guys are also hurting from quarantines, to please just drop some comments down below. Let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. I've financially can't do much for anybody because I need help financially. I'm struggling right now trying to balance bills, which bill to pay, which one not to pay, so on and so forth. And you know, it is what it is. And if you guys would like to help me out financially, the best way to do so is to head over to arcticvet.com and click on the button that says store and go buy some of my merch. I have t-shirts, I've got hoodies, we've got a dog sweater, we've got sweatshirts. Man, I almost have everything on there. I do not have hats or embroidered items on there, nor do I have my decals. I am working on that though. To get my embroidered stuff on there, it takes some money. You know, tough spot right now. So once I do get those on there, they will definitely be available. And I also, if you check my description down below, I do have links to my website, to my store, to my PayPal. I have Patreon. If you would like to be one of the first 100 Patreon members, go ahead and hit that link and subscribe to me there. Those are probably the best ways to help support me and my family right now financially the most, because we're hurting, we're not showing it, we're trying to make it through, we're trying to find solutions, and we will get through it because the man upstairs has a plan, and that plan is falling into place. I've seen a little glimpse of it, and I just know it's falling into place. And anyhow, this video is getting a little bit longer than I'd like it to, so I'm gonna end it off here. I'm gonna check out what this guy's doing. Maybe he's dropping off a card or something, you know. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, because that helps us out too. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell notification. And as always, drop those comments down below. Let me know. I'm here to help as much as I can, because I know how low we can go. I know how hard it can get. And if you guys just keep pushing, you too can get through it. Have a great day, and we will catch you in the next video.